Hi, this is Galaxy S24 Plus and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then find the sounds and vibration section. Here we could switch sound, vibration and mood modes just by select one from the modes. In sound mode you could use vibration while device ringing, and in mood mode you could set the temporary mood and to mute it for 1 to 3 hours or to set the custom one. Here we could switch the ringtone notification sounds just by select one from them. In system sound section we could increase or decrease the system sound volume by slide to the left or to the right side this dot. We could switch the system sound temp from and to activate it, turn off the dial pad tone, screen lock and loud sound, charging sounds and the dial pad tones just with a click on each of the switchers. Let's go back. Here we got the volume section. We could switch the ringtone, media notification and system sound just by slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. And also we could activate or turn off this option to use volume buttons for media, and when we'll turn off this option we'll change with the volume buttons the ringtone volume. Let's go back. Here we got the call vibration. We could switch here the call vibration pattern and to switch the intensity by the same way the system vibration settings and vibration intensity. We could also here increase or decrease it with the just by slide to the left or to the right side on each of these volume panels. Here we got also the sound quality and effects. We could activate or turn off Dolby items for gaming, to change the equalizer option and to activate or turn off the adapt sound. And also we could here use the separate app sound. We could turn on or turn off this option. And here we got also the thunderstorm mode section. We could turn it on, turn it off. We could set the start, the end time, the shuttle of the D&D mode, and to allow some calls, messages, notifications from any people or apps from some contacts. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Galaxy phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.